You know, like, no matter what you do, if you put it on the internet, someone's gonna hate it. Like, no matter what, someone's gonna hate it. But it's fine. Like, I get to have fun. Like, I'm here, and I get to do this, so I don't care. They're on the internet. It doesn't matter.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy C. Dottie. Today we have the Las Vegas Raiders versus New England Patriots. I'm really here to see the offense of the Raiders, bro. I'm very interested to see how it's gonna look with all the boys playing at 100% the whole game. They got Brock, fucking Gino. They got some dogs, bro. I got them winning this shit too. Patriots is not that bad though. I'm not gonna lie, they not that bad. We better see what their defense is looking like though, bro. I don't know what the 50,000. Let's go ahead and get into it. I got Raiders winning though. Raiders a sleeper.
Raiders begin to the air.
Oh, Brock is always open. Brock is always open. Brock is my fantasy tight end. Let's go. Brock is my fantasy tight end, baby. Feed Brock, Gino.
Back in the NFL. I wonder how
he's my on one of my leagues. I have him and Britton Strange. In them two leagues, I got him and Britton Strange.
Sixth overall pick, highest drafted running back since Saquon Barkley in 2018.
You get Genty involved, and now all of a sudden they're inside the 35.
Gino back to the air, throws it far side of the field, and it is complete. Another rookie that they are expecting big things from.
The Patriots showing an all-out pressure look.
Here they come.
Gino throwing a bomb, wide open man. Off rip. I told y'all niggas that offense. I don't know who that. Tucker? Is that Tucker? Who is that?
26.
Oh yeah, there's Trey Tucker.
On a perfectly thrown
I was like, nigga, who the hell is that?
Patriots put everybody on the line of scrimmage, and then they're going to drop back. They protect it beautifully, and that gives Geno Smith the time to sit there and watch the speedy Trey Tucker in the slot run right.
And he ran right by him. Damn, he that fast?
Offensively, the Raiders.
He that fast?
Offensive line to quarterback and receiver, they were on point, and it ended up in a touchdown.
Gibson on point for the Patriots.
To get the right guys in place and protect their young quarterback.
May stepping up on 3rd and 8, too high.
To also reassure the DBs, essentially telling them we'll be okay.
Such a perfect field for
Genty.
The last 2 years, full-time starter, huge piece for the Raiders defensively. Coming over in free agency. Whoa, what a pass! They thread the needle to
Man, that nigga jersey damn it ripped off.
Myers. Somehow Gino is able to get it between both defenders, and they burn him for 24.
It's a lot of success.
I forgot they had Jacoby Myers too. Damn.
It looks like they're playing coverage here.
Clean pocket for Smith. Steps up into the throw, wide open. First down and more. It's Jack Bish.
All right, go back to feed him Brock.
Go with the ball and has all the talent to make the throws.
Again, all day to throw for Smith.
Oh,
that one
shit.
Deflected, and it's going to be picked. Jalen Hawkins.
Nigga, Brock is getting triple team. He still threw it. I know I said it, Gino, but I need you to use your brain too, my nigga.
On 2nd and 11, May back to the air. Wide
Hunter Henry.
He's got his tight end, Hunter Henry. And we'll see if that can't get the Patriots offense into gear. 3rd different head coaching staff regime that Graham is coaching for at the control of this Raiders defense. May over the middle, up the seam, first down. Kayshon Boutte, and he's down to the 22.
Booty. Forgot they got him.
To get up to speed, not only in the run game, but out of the.
I gotta say, my last name is Boutte.
Good looking throw, a little bit behind the tight end Hooper, but he makes the catch. Didn't play at all in the preseason, taking his first steps
touchdown
with his new team. May near side, caught Douglas for the Patriots touchdown.
Everybody doing that dance, bro. That little head bobbing shit. If I was to do that shit right now, nigga, my head would start throbbing in pain because of that Falcons game. If you have not seen that Falcons reaction, bro, go ahead and look at that. That shit's insane. I'm saying that shit in every video because it's absolutely insane. Y'all need to go. Y'all need to see the pain I go through and the reason why my HP is low right now.
Officials confirming that he did have control.
I need a fucking slurp juice, bro.
Touchdown, New England. What does Chip Kelly dial up on 3rd and 7? Here comes New England on the blitz.
Damn.
Get to Gino for the
Damn.
Jalen Hawkins putting together a monster first half. End of the first quarter, but he is now back onto the field for the Patriots. May slinging it near side. This little back shoulder throw completes. Booty with another catch as we check in with Aditi.
He said it's a formula that works, and he also said he feels like this team is very close culturally to what Rabel likes.
This is where he has excelled.
Fermion.
Henderson on a 3rd and short. There is a
he's supposed to be my fantasy running back.
It's a 15-1 and a first down.
I didn't do it, man. He was supposed to. He's supposed to be one of them at least.
The Patriots. May from the gun. Off the seam, and was that caught?
Hunter?
Incredible snatch.
I thought bad choice because Douglas 6 or 7 different personnel groups in a variety of formations.
May over the middle, boy, Booty.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Drake May right there. You look like a vet right there. That nigga went through all his progressions and checked down. Well, not checked down, through the ball. He look like a vet.
Would be about a 40-yard field goal from here. Dump off here to Henderson, trying to make the first guy miss. Excellent pursuit by the Raiders. 40.
Miss.
This one is going to be
That shit went straight right. That shit went straight to the right. That shit wasted no time going right.
From the gun, quick
Damn, Gino.
Down, well played by Austin. There is a penalty flag thrown far side of the field. Bowers the intended target from the 21. Raiders coming. Patriots pick it up. May's pass is caught.
Booty again.
Half. Kayshawn Booty is putting together for the Patriots a pickup of 22.
Lining up inside.
May fires, completes. It is Diggs. But he is wrapped up short of the first down.
Forgot they had Stephon Diggs. Oh, that nigga even starting?
Got a good snap, good hold.
Obviously he's starting, but like, bro, I forgot y'all had that nigga.
Motion from Bowers, 4-man rush, New England. Smith, quick delivery. Bowers
Go.
Far side.
Feed him more. We need more Brocks.
And then that's when that front has started to get active.
Remember that shock?
Them niggas Desmond Ritter and McConnell was ass, but they found a way to give Brock the ball.
Peppers.
Especially O'Connell bum ass.
Well, the roster turnover on that side of the football. Gino, the hard fake, fires, completes at the 41-yard line from 59 in the rain. This will be from 58.
Carlson
for the tie. Misses wide.
That was a deep one, though. That's a deep one, though.
Guys. So I think it was a really good, strong first half.
Nobody can be mad at him for missing that shit.
To settle in.
Good looking.
What the fuck I had to deal with, you can be mad about.
Target so far.
I only have valid crash outs, bro. Only.
Pressure's allowed on that right side.
Started 14 games at right tackle for the Jets last season as Diggs makes his second catch.
If he doesn't make a fast decision and get the ball out, he's either scrambling or getting rid of it.
Picked off. Right to him. He got hit. That pressure. That must have been a Max Crosby. Was that a Max Crosby he got hit by? Who was that? Hold on, wait. Who hit him?
The ball out. He's either scrambling.
Yep, Max Crosby. Of course.
Or getting
of course.
And the
of fucking course is Max. Why wouldn't it be Max?
As they play in a 3-point hole, early stages, second half. Play action from Smith. Guns it and completes. Myers. The one-time Patriot tiptoes and weaves his way.
Pete Carroll and his defense needed to start off this second half.
Fake to Genty. Smith throwing a dart. And Myers taking on all comers.
Run pressures, but the Raiders have countered that here in this drive.
Smith,
I thought I was Brock. That's Michael Myers, whatever his name is.
What an embarrassment. Can this New England defense hold? Bowers in motion, 1st and goal. Genty. So much.
Genty first touchdown.
Touchdown Las
How did he just get out of there?
And the Raiders back in front.
How did he just get out of there like that?
Watch number 61. Tough to see him on that angle, how he just gets his combination block. If he doesn't get that block, Robert Spillane.
3rd and 11, New England. May protected.
Damn, he was staring at left side the whole time.
And Pete Carroll's defense starting.
He was staring the shit out that left side. Drake May starting to panic.
These two coaches and their new franchises. Smith coupled of hard fakes, puts a man under it near.
Go, Brock. Go, Brock. Nigga, Brock never drop shit.
Man for Vrabel getting the message across.
7 years with Tennessee, 6 with Vrabel. Smith slinging one, and it's incomplete. Arch mentioned the incredible influence he's had on his coaches and players.
Niggas was on 3rd and 20 is wicked.
And his defense.
And Drake May can't do nothing. They going three and out, 3 and out. 3 and out for 3 and out.
And all these years later, back in Foxborough with his
Damn.
Damn. He's going to get a first down drive starter here. Michael Mayer over the shoulder catch. Grew up in New Hampshire, still has his family house about.
Can I get a drive going?
Geno Smith.
Let's go, Brock. Let's go, Brock. Let's go, Brock.
Plenty of open grass. Monstrous.
Come on, that's about like what? 10, which I think about 9 points so far.
Running backs in the National Football League.
Maybe 10.
Boy, quiet
Maybe.
start from Mayer, but he's starting to put his. Carlson gets it off cleanly.
He just got it. Carlson's a dog. Carlson's a dog.
Left in the quarter. Adams showing blitz and then pulls back. May flushed out, looking, throws, and completes. Here comes the blitz again. May somehow gets it out cleanly. First down, Patriots.
Raiders have picked up their blitzing here in the last 2 drives.
May's pass batted down, back into the hands of May.
Oh!
Live play. He's gonna
I thought he was gonna get fucking demolished, but he ate that.
By the Raiders, they stuck with it.
His shoulder pad popped out though, but
Fresh set it downs for Geno and company. Geno again slinging it perfectly.
a dot between 3 defenders. That's a dot, bro.
Gets it to
It's a perfect
Tucker.
throw.
But in the weather, Pete Carroll keeps
4th and 1.
on the field. 4th and 1.
Rolling out.
Throws across
Brock.
his body.
Oh, that's Michael Myers.
Mayer
I keep calling him. I be thinking them niggas Brock every time.
Genty on another 3rd and 1. He lost his footing. And the Raiders
You
are going to
slick?
take a 2-score lead here in Foxborough.
And disrupting the timing and rhythm of this passing game.
Made a
It's a
fake,
good pass.
and he's got a man wide open. Off the seam to Diggs.
Patriots got to score here, either a field goal or a touchdown.
Again, you're starting to see some
They just gotta score, or the game's over. Dump it down to Travion Henderson.
Henderson going to get out to the 50. He's about 4 yards shy of the marker.
Got to go for
3rd
it.
and 20.
They didn't go for it.
At the 25.
3rd and 20. Geno's dropping back. Look for Bowers. He's throwing a bomb.
Smith underneath, and they get it. Thornton. Just. And what a way to.
That nigga just slid
Smith underneath, and they get
backwards to catch that. He's a dog. Hey, that rookie's a dog for y'all. That rookie, I don't know who that is, but that nigga's a
What a
dog.
way to cap off the weekend if they can hold on here in Foxborough. 3rd and 11. Genty, the spin, will get himself an extra yard, maybe 2. They begin at the 20, open for one last gasp. Little
Wow.
comebacker, May to Booty. And those Patriots hoping for a quick strike just to get themselves a chance. And a potential onside kick.
They gave it to him.
That'll get them the first down.
You know, they've made them earn it. It's the classic, make the offense be patient because you're going to screw it up before we will.
Another first. Do they kick 3 here?
Second half of mixing in a few pressures with their 4-man rush, but
They got to kick. Now they got to get a little closer. They got to do something quick though, bro.
26 seconds.
The game's over.
Looking for anyone down the field.
Yeah, the game's over.
Coverage again for the Raiders.
that in this game.
44-yard kick because Vrabel goes for the 3 here, and then they'll line up for the onside kick with 19 seconds left. They win across the
GG's,
country
man.
here in Fox.
Yeah, nothing really surprised me about this game, bro. Nothing really surprised me. But Geno, Brock should get that chemistry back up more. We're gonna get more looks out of Brock. Trust me. Brock gonna get more looks than that. What about 50,000 men? I'm out this bitch.